Namaka. My name is Telo Gava. I'm 19, first year student of FNU, studying aircraft engineering. And this is my online assessment, Com402, as it's technical communication for engineers, in a video presentation about air traffic control. In this video presentation about air traffic control, also known as ATC, I'll be explaining to you what is an ATC, what is the function of an ATC, who operates the ATC, what is the role of being an air traffic controller, what are the skills required for this career path, and a little career story of a current air traffic controller based in England in this industry. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this. To start off, what is air traffic control? Air traffic control is a necessary responsibility in the ever-growing field of aircraft travel, conducted by ground-based personnel who have been trained and certified by the Federal Aviation Administration. Air traffic control responsibilities center on a monitoring of air traffic in a given area, specific tower control, approach and departure control, and finally, air control. Basically, ATC is responsible of aircraft travel in air and on ground. Now that we know what is an ATC, who operates the ATC? That, my friends, are air traffic controllers. Air traffic controllers communicate with the pilot to execute flights quickly, efficiently, and most importantly, safely. In controlled airspace, pilots take instructions from air traffic controllers on where, when, and how to position the aircraft. To summarize a little introduction, purpose of an ATC is to move aircraft safely and efficiently in the airspace systems. Now, in the ATC are air traffic controllers, whom aim to keep aircraft moving on ground and in air in set distances using set routes. ATC provides coordinates, takeoff, landing, ground traffic, and air traffic to provide a safe travel in communication to support the pilot. Air traffic control systems have three different types of controllers: the aerodrome controllers, area controllers, and approaching controllers. Different names but same purpose, which leads us to our next question. What is the purpose of an air traffic control and what are their roles? As we know, air traffic controllers are responsible for directing safe movements of aircraft departing and arriving from airports and along major air routes. They also advise and update pilots about nearby planes and potential hazards, issuing landing and takeoff authorizations and instructions, also transferring control of departing flights to traffic control centers and accepting controls of incoming flights, monitoring or directing aircraft within airspace or on the ground, and compiling information about flights from the flight plan, pilot reports, radar, or observation. Now that we have a fair understanding about the role of an air traffic controller, but what does it take to become one? Which leads us to our next question. What are the skills of an air traffic controller? Well, let's get straight into this. Air traffic controllers must be able to have strong eyesight and color vision, the ability to concentrate for extended periods of time, problem-solving skills, spatial awareness and good coordination, excellent communication and teamworking skills, the ability to work quickly, accurately, calmly, and decisively under pressure, motivation and self-discipline, an aptitude for working with technology, and flexibility with regards to the location that they'll be willing to work. It is also important that air traffic controllers have a good physical and mental health. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we also have a career story from a air traffic controller, the name of Craig Thompson, all the way from the UK. Let's read out his story. My name is Craig Thompson, and I'm an air traffic controller and have been working at NETS for 25 years. Currently, I split my time between the operation room, where I control aircrafts, and the development department, where I work on projects delivering new en route systems. The thing I like about my job is that every day is different. It always have ever been since I started. There's never been a normal day at the office. There's different challenges every day. I like that, and it keeps it interesting and keeps you developing as an air traffic controller. Now, with his story, he also adds in a little bit about teamwork. Teamwork is a vital product in especially in the industry, aviation industry, where it requires people to work together to complete their tasks. So this is from Craig Thompson. Teamwork is vital in air traffic control. It's not just the air traffic controller that helps deliver a safe operation. There's a number of people working together in different roles as one big team. And these people aren't just based in the operation rooms, but those working in different areas such as engineers, safety specialists, analysts, and researchers, all putting together to ensure we deliver a safe operation. We have come to the end of this video presentation. I hope that you have learned something about air traffic control systems and air traffic controllers. According to my prior knowledge and also reading this report, being an air traffic controller isn't easy, especially when you have flights coming day by day, night by night, country to country, and as you're the eyes of the sky, it's important, like what Craig Thompson said, that we all work together and we deliver a safe operation. Vinaka Wakalebu, Taylor Gava.